Lactoperoxidase ELISA test kit operation video. Preparation. Take out all the required reagents from the refrigerator and allow them to reach room temperature before the test. Shake up the reagents before use. Sample extraction buffer preparation. Dilute the concentrated sample extraction buffer A and buffer B together with deionized water. Add 1 part of buffer A and 1 part of buffer B into 18 parts of deionized water. The sample extraction buffer can be stored for 12 months at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Sample preparation. Pipette 5 ml milk sample to a 50 ml centrifuge tube, reach to room temperature. Add 5 ml sample extraction buffer and vortex to mix well. Centrifuge for 5 minutes at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Use filter paper to filter the supernatant extract. Collect the filtrate for assay. Dilute the filtrate above with sample diluting buffer. Suggest 1 to 1 to 1 to 10 dilution ratio for low temperature pasteurized milk, and 1 to 20 to 1 to 80 dilution ratio for raw milk. Dilution is not recommended for high temperature pasteurized milk and UHT milk. Samples should be used immediately after preparation. Standard curve preparation. Take 6 vials of 1.5 ml centrifuge tubes and add standard diluting buffer separately. Add 570 microliter to tube 1, add 300 microliter to the rest of the 5 tubes. Pipette 30 microliter of standard to tube 1 and mix well. Tube 1 concentration will become 600 units per liter. Pipette 300 microliter of solution from tube 1 to tube 2 and mix well. Tube 2 concentration will become 300 units per liter. Repeat the steps above to prepare 150 units per liter, 75 units per liter, 37.5 units per liter standards. Standard concentration and standard diluting buffer is 0 units per liter. That means tube 6 is 0 units per liter. Standards should be used immediately after preparation. Test procedure. Add 100 microliter of standards or samples to the test wells. Be sure to use a fresh pipette tip for each. Then dispense 50 microliter lactoperoxidase substrate into each test well in order. Gently mix on the surface. Cover the plate rack with plate cover sheet. And incubate the wells in the dark at a 37 degrees Celsius incubator for 10 minutes. After incubation, dispense 50 microliter stop solution into each test well in order. Shake the plate rack gently to mix well. Place the microplate into the microplate reader, ready for testing. Set up the microplate reader. Set up the reader's wavelength to 450 nanometers or 630 nanometers. Set up the standard concentrations and standard replicates. Set up the sample replicates and dilution factor. Click Template to create a new template. Click Assay to test the OD value of each well. Click Analyze to view the results. It is recommended to use the professional analysis software to analyze the results, because it may have certain systematic errors among different readers. Analyze the result by using the software. Select 4-parameter logistic to generate standard curve, compared with the standard curve and multiplied by its corresponding dilution factor. The content of lactoperoxidase in the sample can be calculated. Dilution factor equals to 2 multiply sample extract dilution ratio.